I was going to say, somehow we got disconnected. So, somehow we ended up getting disconnected from our live feed. So, we had to start a whole new... We had to start a whole new thing. We can see, you can kind of see. We got disconnected from our, we got disconnected from the other feed. But that's okay. This video won't be too terribly long because, oh yeah. Goosey poop.
Yeah, goosey.
This right here's the Urbana Creek. Look at that beautiful full moon, y'all. Isn't that just gorgeous?
It's reflecting.
Yep, it's definitely reflecting. Look at that.
So,
It's so pretty.
wish I could take a picture of it.
Like I can't take a picture.
Oh yeah,
But
because you're on the live.
it's so pretty when like a boat goes through stuff. That's through the trees.
They already lost.
Yeah, it's so pretty when it's full like that, or it's almost full. It's getting there. Tomorrow's the full. Tomorrow's the full, so we will definitely do a live on that before I go on the Howie O'Dell show. And don't forget, y'all, tomorrow that's from 9 to 11. And I think Howie, I'll dial in and he does a live. He does a Facebook live, so it'll actually be on...
It's Sunday tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll actually be on Facebook Live. So,
Lightning bug.
yes, let's blame Victor.
Freak.
Here we go. There. So we will,
What is that?
so we will definitely have a good time on the Howie O'Dell show. Now, he has his show every Sunday night. It is on Facebook.
Oh.
It is on Facebook Live. It's not firecrackers. I forgot what they are, but they're not firecrackers. It's on Facebook Live. It's the,
There, there's like just one right there.
oh, people are still letting him off. It's the Orion Effect is the name of his podcast. So, but he does a Facebook Live, and so I'll probably start doing Facebook Live with mine. I'll just have to borrow somebody's phone to help me out. Oh yeah, everybody's letting them off everywhere.
Because they're not doing the big giant one.
Well, I'm happy with what the neighbors
Yeah,
did. I
me
mean,
too.
you know, I'm not going to complain
But like,
because, first of all, those are a lot of money. That's the first thing.
I know, they probably like spend
And
like,
we are very grateful. Look at that. Yeah. Goose poop is Victor's fault. Yeah, I know.
What did I do?
Oh, you didn't do anything.
Yeah, sure.
But like I said, we can't complain. We are grateful of what happened today as far as, like I said,
I actually liked it.
yeah, the golf cart parade and the boat parade.
Yeah.
Even though people said it was political. Trump train is what people said. And I'm like, y'all are stupid. Very dumb. Had nothing to do with that. Nothing.
Now you can see the whole ground.
Yeah. Kinda. Oh, are they still letting off their little
no,
baby
those
fireworks?
there.
Oh, look, there's more over there. Everybody's got those.
Oh, this come from Miss Pat.
Yeah. They're letting off the little ones. See, everybody has like a little edge of the beach or whatever.
Maybe
Like-
they don't want to spend that much money.
They have a a little edge of the beach so they can. Somebody's letting off some way over there. Oh, we can't. You can't see them. They're probably pretty. The moon is gorgeous.
You go ride the golf cart?
Yeah, we can't.
I know, 'cause this is
Not straight ready. Daryl will kill us. Are you serious? Kimberly, you can't be losing track of days like that. The Ryan Effect show is tomorrow with Howie O'Dell and Kat, and forgive me, there's another lady's name and I can't remember what it is. But it's going to be fun. Too bad I can't drive out at the Cabin 360 and just be in person. It's only an hour from my house. I mean, hell, it's not like I'm not going to be there next Saturday. After I go see my mommy, of course, because it is her birthday, July 11th. I have presents for her and surprises. Oh, look, there's some little fireworks over there. Oh, those are cute. Little tiny ones.
And then he realizes that he has a lot in the.
Yeah, like I said, we're very grateful for the neighbor because he lets those off every year. On top of the Urbana fireworks, which are normally here.
They're
but they're
enormous.
Not. Yeah, but they're not here
It's
this
kind
year.
of the same, but they light them off, I think, right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, another one.
Tonight it's breezy. It would be a perfect night to go to Old House Woods too. It would have been a perfect night because it's so pretty and breezy outside. I still haven't reviewed all the EVPs and the body cam from that yet. There was just so much of it. I haven't had a chance to do it yet, but I will, and I'll be posting the EVPs from that too. I just have to get on my laptop and put the speaker on so you can hear it.
That's the drone. Right there.
No, that's a planet. That's not a planet. That's a star that's been out. Oh, look, he's got little ones there.
That kind of looks a little big, but his is a lot bigger.
Yeah. That's why the neighbor said bring it on, because he knew what he had in his pockets.
I remember last year. Okay, yeah,
It's pretty out. Now you see why I go to bed late? Thank you, Howie. Thanks, Howie, Kat, and Kim. I appreciate that. Always. I could not remember to save my life. Those are cute too. Like I said, I don't.
The bridge probably would be like, what the freak?
Oh, okay. Oh, you mean you're going tonight? It's tempting, girl, but I know I got to get my beauty rest because I do want to. What are you doing, Victor? I do want to spend some time doing the body cam, looking at that footage. But I will warn y'all, when I do post the EVPs, it's a lot of cussing. A lot. Oh, I will. I won't forget to post it to the Old House Woods page. I won't forget to do that. But I just want to warn people that there's a lot of F-bombs, and it's not us, it's the spirit. Nice. Back to the almost full moon. Yeah, I'll have to put a warning on that. Yep. I'll post it to the page. Dang, every time I turn my back, he puts on something. I'll post it to that page and, you know, like I said, I haven't even gotten to the body cam yet. I think I made it to, I broke it up into 6 or 7 EVPs at the intersection. And then I had 3 additional EVPs in the woods. So, I think I'm on the 5th EVP, and that one is like 11 minutes. Look at all the fireworks. Can you see them? You got them going off in 2 different places. Over there. I wish I could zoom closer, but it's going to get blurry. This has been a pretty active night. I think this was more active than last year.
Yeah, because
Oh, yeah.
it vibrates wherever it goes, so it
Yeah.
echoes anywhere.
Oh, yeah, the F-bomb words? I know. I thought I said the F word a lot. I even got full sentences of something like, I want Coke, or something like that. Well, you heard it. But like I said, I made you the thumb drive of that, too. It's pretty when that goes in the moonlight. Oh, sorry. Let me put the fireworks back. It's pretty. Oh, there's their little ones. Yeah. See the ripple now? The ripple effect. Hold on, let me zoom out. I just can't lose track of time tomorrow night because I get mesmerized by this kind of stuff. But then again, I'll be on the phone, so it's not like I'll be on the phone. I was going to say it's not like I'll be on Facebook Live myself, but I got to get pictures before I get on the Howie show, because what is it, 9:36 now? It would be an interesting night tomorrow night to go to Cabin on 360 with it being a full moon and the type of full moon it is, because it's, what did I say it was, Kimberly? It's like the deer moon or something like that. I can't remember now. My memory is not liking me today. It would be perfect because you got Native American stuff there. So it would just be the perfect setup on that. I mean, you know, if Ryan was to say it was okay for me to go to the cabin, I would actually drive out there and just be in person. I think Howie's used to doing it on the phone. Gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, the small ones. Compared to the neighbor, I think that's what he's talking about, compared to the neighbor's fireworks. Yeah. I never understood how people are able to navigate them at nighttime. See the boat out there? You can hear it's one big party down there, right? It's one big party. It's pretty. Back to the moon. Oh. Nope, back to the fireworks. Those are pretty. Those are pretty. Let me see if I can zoom in.
I can't see.
If I zoom in too much.
Mine will get blurry if I do that.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to it, though. Somebody else is letting off some big fireworks. You can hear them things.
Maximum.
So I guess the 4th of July didn't turn out to be too terribly bad. I mean, we really haven't been anywhere. I saw people's comments on that, too, about not social distancing, not wearing a mask during the parade. Whatever. Wet blanket people. Pretty.
Wait, what?
Merry Christmas. Okay. Must be dealing with some drunkards. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the neighbors that... Oops. Yeah. My bad. Oh, are they? Can you can't see them though, can you? Pretty. The reflection is pretty. The little ones. Oh, the little ones. Don't fall.
Yeah, so guys.
Here we go. Back to the full moon. Oh, sorry. Can't do that yet. Oh, you can't see those fireworks, but you can see ours. Or people's that are letting them off. See, if I zoom in too much, then it blurs everything. Oh, why is it getting blurry? There we go. I can't zoom in because then it will, if I zoom in, I can't see anything.
Oh, look over there. There's some colorful ones.
Oh yeah, somebody's letting off some other colorful ones, but my phone keeps getting all blurry.
Yeah, that's what mine keeps doing.
Off to a distance. There's some other ones. Like I said, the 4th of July here was not ruined, trust me. We had the neighbors competing with each other. I have a tripod in the house. I just don't use it. We have the neighbors competing with each other, and they set off some really nice fireworks, so I can't complain. Along with the boat parade and the golf cart parade, it's turned out to be a really nice day. And I might return Daryl's golf cart. I haven't decided yet. I mean, oh, he did leave the key in it, and it was just sitting there as an opportunity. Just sitting all nice and pretty. I have a tripod. I have a nice tripod. I just, like I said, I don't use it. One big party over here. Back to the moon. It's always going to be his fault. You know, in one of the EVPs that I got the other night, there's also drumming in that EVP in one of them. Literal drumming. I documented it. Like an Indian drum, just to let you know. Oh, baby ones. They may be done. Or the party may have just begun, because I heard fireworks last night up until about 12 midnight. John does not live close to me. It was a lot of fun. I'm upset that people turned it into something that it was not. It's kind of upsetting, and some of people's comments were very nasty. Because it wasn't what people are saying it was, unfortunately. But to answer your question, no, he does not. His sister lives here in town, and his brother-in-law, who is Daryl Sears, owns Unique Golf Carts. So if you want a golf cart tricked out, he'll trick it out for you. So we've known them for years. And this past 2019, I met John at the Oyster Fest because Donna had been wanting us to meet for quite a long time, but the timing, I guess. So he was at Oyster Fest. So yeah, we met him there, and he comes down to see Donna, and he brings his mom. So he brings his mom.
The good thing is we went to this big giant beach. And for some reason, that's how we met Mr. Lucky.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We met
He's
him.
talking about that's how we met Michael White and Ryan. Mr. Lucky is Michael White because he finds everything like this one over here. So we met them back in July of last year. But we named Michael White Mr. Lucky because he found this big old shark's tooth in it. He just has an eagle eye for stuff that you wish you could have and you can't find. All he's got to do is look down in the damn dirt and there it is. And I'm like, are you kidding me? And Victor does the same thing. So we got Mr. Lucky 1 and Mr. Lucky 2. And then of course Ryan, meeting Ryan and getting the opportunity to have a slot on Vibe Time was really nice. So just little doors opening and just being able to meet really good people. Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right about that. Our boat parade, the boat parade that they have every year, I never looked at it as a political thing. I've always looked at it as it's a boat parade and people are riding their boats down in the river. And until somebody mentioned it today, I never looked at it that way. And I've just never looked at it as, oh, this is a political Trump thing. I never even thought of it like that. So, just upsetting. I am upset about it. But what do you want to do? People have their own opinion. Opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one. So, but I had fun and Victor had fun, and that's all that matters to me. Yeah. Is that we had a good time. Despite, people's comments and crap. We had fun. So, we care less. Still waiting on my shirt to come in. As soon as that comes in, then, He's still letting them things off. And they're just little teeny tiny ones.
He gonna come with a big giant one. Big blast.
Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, the Banks is, I showed him earlier today when we were at yeah, it is sad. Earlier today when we were at the boat parade, there was like this little red tent and it was across the river or whatever. And that's where the little beach is. Will you put your flashlight on? I think the competition stuff is done. So where I put that at is where the beach is. But if you walk like around the bend, there's a spider. If you walk like around the bend of the beach, that's where these little cliffs are, made of clay. And you can find all kinds of stuff. Oh shit, is he still letting them off? This stuff will go on all night. But for the most part, the big ones are over.
Well, sometimes after he lights them, he gets
yes,
more.
Damn that Carol. But yeah, that's where those are at. So, but that little beach, I think you have to take like a boat there. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah,
yeah. I think you got to take a little boat there. I don't think it's something that.
Well, we didn't go to Cindy.
Yeah, I don't think it's something that you can like drive to.
No,
so
it's like a little island.
Well, it's not an island. It's there's really no place, I don't think, there's no place that you can get to it by a car. So, there's my house. Isn't it pretty?
Little bugs.
Yeah, little bugs.
Am I good now?
No, not yet. I don't want to hit that pothole. Yeah, we have little figurines that we made out of that clay one year. And they were cute. These little gnats don't like me. She should. Can't see it. Anyway, back on the deck we go. Thank you. Back on the deck I go. After a nice night of fireworks. Me and Victor, we spend a lot of time out here on the deck because it's just so nice out here. It's my zen place, as you put it. Yeah, that's my little fake pool over there. I gotta fill it up every day, but I don't care. So yeah, it's pretty out. It's a nice night. Moon is over there, right over those trees, and like I said, the moon will do a complete rotation. I know I've said that before, around this whole house. So, but let me see if I can. There we go. Turn it back to me. So, humid. Been in a hat all day so I wouldn't get sunburnt. So I hope everybody is having a nice 4th of July. Kimberly, I hope you had a good 4th of July. It's been a pretty, yeah, it's been a, like I said, it's been a nice day, despite certain things, but it's been a nice day. So, anyhow, I'm going to get off of here so that I can just sit and wait for that moon to hit the tip of that tree, and then I'm just going to let it hit that third eye. But like I said, Old House Woods would have been really nice to go to tonight because it's pretty. Actually, it would be nice to go to tomorrow, but you know I'm doing the show, so I can't do it tomorrow. But anyhow, shoot me some dates that you're available, and then shoot me some dates with the other stuff that we've talked about. I guess you got to talk to Dennis too. But anyway, I hope you have a great night and enjoy the rest of your 4th of July. And I will talk to you later. Bye.